These abandoned AI videos are exploding right now, pulling millions of views and quietly making people serious money. I'm talking about videos hitting over 100 million views and earning tens of thousands of dollars from a single upload. And the crazy part? Most people still have no idea how this actually works. Now, of course, everyone is jumping in and you'll see tutorials everywhere. But here's the truth. Most of them won't show you the real method, because the actual strategy, that's locked behind their paid courses. But in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. No guesswork, no wasting time, just a simple system that actually works. So before we jump into making these videos, you need to understand one thing: why this niche is blowing up right now. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are pushing content that feels real. People are tired of over-edited clips, cartoons, and fake-looking visuals. But when they see something that looks like a real abandoned place, their brain pauses. They stop scrolling, they look closer, and they start thinking, wait, is this real? That moment of confusion, that's exactly what makes these videos go viral. And that's why content like abandoned malls, broken animatronics, empty theme parks, forgotten places performs insanely well. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think it's about making something creepy. It's not. It's about following 3 simple rules. First, imperfection. If your video looks too clean or too AI generated, people scroll instantly. Second, logic. Everything in the scene has to make sense or the illusion breaks. And third, movement. Static images don't work. Your content needs motion to keep people watching. Once you understand these 3 things, this niche becomes repeatable. Now, let's get into the actual process. First, go to any viral video in this niche. Pause it and take a clean screenshot from the video. This will be your base reference. Now, open Google Gemini and select the Nano Banana model. Upload your screenshot there. Next, you'll need a prompt. Use a simple structure where you tell the AI to recreate the same scene, but replace the character or subject with something different. Once you generate the image, you'll notice the quality is already very high. You can also go further, change colors, add objects, modify small details, basically shape the image exactly the way you want. And this is where you start creating something unique. Now let's move to the part where we turn these images into actual videos. Head over to higgsfieldai again, and this time go to the video section. Select the Google V3.1 model and upload the image you just created. Now paste your prompt here and hit the Generate button. Give it a moment to process, and you'll start getting results like this. And that's how you convert a simple image into a realistic animated clip. All the tools and links I used in this video are mentioned in the description below. And if this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.